All right, so let's see if the audio is okay. Yeah, perfect. The audio is fine. The video quality seems to be on point as well. That means that we are ready to start this session. How are y'all doing? Welcome to this live session. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you're having a good week so far. Feel free to let me know down below what you guys have been up to lately, how this week has been for you, and in around 1 or 2 minutes, we'll get into the good stuff. Okay? As mentioned, I'm gonna do a Forex market update. Basically, I'm gonna go over our watchlist pairs, over the active setups, and then over the potential upcoming setups. After that, we'll do a quick crypto market update as well. So SWAR, since you asked about the Ethereum update, that's gonna come later in this session. So make sure to stay tuned for that. And after that, we are going to end it with a short Q&A. Okay, that's gonna be our schedule for today's live session. All right. So yeah, once again, before we start, please feel free to let me know what you guys been up to lately, and I'll make sure to check it out. I'm really curious to see what you guys have to say. Personally, I'm okay. I'm sticking to the schedule, enjoying the beautiful weather here whilst we still have it, because summer will be over soon. So yeah, I'm enjoying the sun as much as I can, and apart from that, things have been okay. Basically, sticking to the usual and having fun whilst doing it. As you guys already know, I always mention that because it's very important, to work and also have fun whilst doing it. Because it's very good to be disciplined, to stick to a schedule, but at the end of the day, we're humans as well, right? So it is perfectly normal to mix and match the two. So yeah, before we start, let me quickly check the Forex Factory website for high impact news. So today we can see that these unemployment claims just dropped, so that's going to help with the volatility. Tomorrow we have some AUD news during the night, and in the morning some GBP news. So yeah, that's perfectly fine. Tomorrow will be a trading day as well. So now we can get into the analysis. We will firstly go over the blue pairs, okay, which are the active setups, basically the setups that I already sent in the groups. After that, I'm gonna go over the green pairs, which are the potential upcoming setups. And after that, we'll do the crypto market update. And lastly, like I said, we'll do the Q&A as well. All right, so let's start with USD that literally triggered our entry right now. As we speak, it triggered our entry. Okay, the reason I took this setup is very simple. Overall, I saw that price was bearish. Okay, it is very clear to see that. Right here, we have a continuation of that bearish trend with this impulsive break towards the downside that took price lower and left imbalance behind. We have this fair value gap lining up perfectly with the point of interest. And lastly, we can all see that the pullback has been very nice and corrective, which is exactly what we want, because that is our final confirmation and it is a very important one. Okay, now the setup triggered, okay, literally as we speak, and we just need to wait and see how it will play out. GBP CAD is looking bearish as well. Right here, the first thing that I saw was that price was overall bearish for the past couple weeks. And right here, we have this impulsive break of structure to the downside. Okay, imbalance was left behind. We have this unmitigated supply level that was mitigated here. Okay, and it was lining up perfectly with the point of interest. And once again, check this out, guys. The final confirmation is there. Okay, we have a very nice and corrective pullback towards our fire zone. That's exactly what we want. And now we can see that price is pretty close to our potential entry. to our entry, okay, to our sell limit. And now, of course, we just need to wait and see if it will trigger, and if it does, when it will trigger, okay? It's just the waiting game now. Gold is, oh, wow, check this out. We have a beautiful, beautiful sniper entry. Let's go. Let's go. What a beautiful sniper entry, guys. Check this out. Check this out. Let me quickly adjust the entry here. I think it was 70 if I'm not mistaken. Was it 70? I think so. Let me check. Yep, that's correct. Wow, what a beautiful snipe. Literally, as we speak, gold is giving us a beautiful, beautiful sniper reaction. Check this out. TP1 was smashed. TP1 was smashed. Let's go. Let's go. What a beautiful trade. Let me quickly update this trade in the groups, in the VIP. This was a trade that I only sent in the VIP. So let me quickly update a group that we caught a beautiful trade right here on gold. What a beautiful sniper reaction we have to the entry. We can see it literally tapped in and went straight towards TP1. Exactly what we want. This is the ideal scenario of a setup when it, of course, gets triggered. So 1 second, let me quickly update this trade. Oh, all right. All right. Perfect. What a beautiful trade we have here. One second. TP1, how many pips is this? 58.10. Let me use this, it's easier. 97 pips, that's solid. That's really, really solid. Wow, what a beautiful trade. What a beautiful trade. Let's go. Let's go. 1 sec. I'm basically sending a message in the groups so that people can see this trade and join the live session so that they can see my thought process behind this trade as well. Okay, so give me guys 1 second. All right, perfect. I'm back now. Yeah, so now let's discuss about why I took this setup, okay? So first things first, I saw that price was overall bullish. However, right here, it gave us a very beautiful bearish shift in momentum. What do I mean by that? It gave us a liquidity sweep, okay, with this fake out to the upside, followed by a very impulsive move towards the downside. I found it pretty textbook, okay, pretty clear. And afterwards, I was able to identify this unmitigated supply that was lining up with the area of interest. And after that, the final step was for us to wait for a corrective pullback, which we can see that we had. Okay, this right here looked corrective to me, hence why I then sent this setup, and the rest is history. Now, literally, it is running in some very nice profits as we speak, and we just need to wait now and see how it will fully play out. Hey, Tony! Tony said, let's go gold. Yes, let's go. Really happy about this trade. Wow, it's running so strong. Check this out. It's running towards TP2 now. Wow, what a beautiful trade. What a beautiful sniper. Really happy about it. Really happy to have you as well, Tony. Long time no see, brother. How's things for you? How's summer going for you? Everything okay? Been in vacation as well? Let me know in the live chat. Now that I went over the blue pairs, I will now go over the green pairs as well. So right here, we have USD CHF that is looking bullish. However, we can see that it broke out of this range, hence why that range becomes invalid. And now, to be honest, I will just wait on this pair and basically color code it with orange because I don't see anything valid right now. Okay, so we're not gonna bother with USD CHF for now. EuroCAD, okay, EuroCAD, what do we have here? We have a potential setup, but before we take it, let's see if it's valid first, okay? Let's see if it's valid first. Tony said, going good and hot, no vacation. Yeah, I can imagine, brother. It's really hot here as well. It's like 38 degrees Celsius. It's boiling. It's really, really boiling hot. But yeah, at least it's sunny, right? I rather prefer having sunny weather and basically being super hot instead of basically having rainy weather, if that makes sense. But yeah, and no vacation, I see. So you've been working. You've been working this summer. That makes sense. Make sure to also take some breaks though, basically to recover a bit, to relax, you know, to disconnect yourself a bit from work, because that's also very important. But yeah, back to EuroCAD. Let's see. So right here we have a aggressive break, a unmitigated demand lining up with the point of interest. However, this pullback isn't really that corrective. Yeah, this pullback isn't corrective. We can see it took price 14 candles to travel there, and then it took price, what, 5 candles to travel all the way here. So that to me looks pretty aggressive, hence why I'm gonna color code this one with orange and move it to the orange list. Okay, next up we have NZD-USD that gave us a bearish potential setup. So right here we have a bearish shift in momentum. We have a liquidity sweep caused by this fake out to the upside, followed by this impulsive break of structure to the downside. We have this impulsive bearish leg right here, as we can see, that pushed price lower and broke structure right here. We then have this unmitigated supply lining up with the area of interest, and now we need to wait for our final confirmation, which is a corrective pullback. Okay, Euro NZD gave us a bullish potential setup. Right here we have another shift in momentum. This one though, it's a bullish shift in momentum. Okay, we have a sweep to the downside caused by this fake out, followed by a impulsive move towards the upside, breaking structure right here. We have this big imbalance that was left behind, this unmitigated demand level lining up with the discounted area of this bullish range. And now we all need to wait for a corrective pullback towards our fire zone. Okay, that's the final step that we need to wait for. Euro JPP, okay. Oh wow, this one triggered, but was it valid though? So we have 7 bars and 12. Not really, not really. This looks pretty aggressive to me. The pullback looks pretty aggressive to me, hence why This setup is not valid anymore, so I'm gonna color code it with orange and move it right here. Now NZD CAD is next, and this pair is looking bearish. Okay, right here we have another shift in momentum. This one we have a bearish one. We have a liquidity sweep to the upside caused by this move right here, by this fake out. And after that, we had a impulsive break of structure to the downside. We have this unmitigated supply level lining up with the area of interest. And now, once again, we need to wait for our final confirmation, which is a corrective pullback. Okay, that's always our final step, our final confirmation that we need to wait for. Or NZD is next, and this one is looking bullish. Okay, we have a impulsive move, very aggressive, as we can see, that took price higher and broke multiple highs. Okay, we broke this high as well as this one, okay, which is a great added confluence. We have this unmitigated demand level lining up with the area of interest. Liquidity was swept beforehand as well, right here. And so far, it is safe to say that we have a corrective pullback. However, if price will continue heading higher, this setup will become invalid. So now we just need to wait and see, okay, will it retrace towards our area of interest, or will it just head higher? And basically, if that happens, we're just gonna look for a new one, okay? And then we have Euro CHF. All right, Euro CHF is looking bullish, as we can see. Overall, it's been trending upwards, which is a good confluence. And right here, we have a continuation of that. Okay, we broke structure to the upside. Let me extend the fib level now because price just headed higher. This range is not that big. It's perfect. So back to what I was saying, we have a aggressive break, a unmitigated demand level lining up with the point of interest perfectly, as we can see. And now we just need to wait for a corrective pullback towards our fire zone, okay, in order for us to pull the trigger and take this setup. That's the final confirmation that we need to wait for. And yeah, please let me know if there's any question on the analysis, because right now we just finished it. We won't go over the orange pairs, because these are the pairs where there's no markups, there's nothing, okay, so there's no point for us to waste any time and go over these orange pairs. And yeah, let me know if there's any questions, because as I always mention throughout the session, if there's any questions, any unclarities about what we've discussed, or it can also be off topic, just drop it in the live chat and I'll make sure to check it out every 1 or 2 minutes. I'm always checking the live chat out to see whether you guys ask me anything new. Okay, and in the meantime, I'm gonna open the Bitcoin chart and prepare the crypto market update, okay, to see where we are at right now. All right, so I think we were doing it on the daily, yeah. And let's quickly delete our predictions. It seems that our third prediction played out. Okay, price just started consolidating for a bit around the 60K area. So from here, what do we have from here? What do we see coming? Of course, potentially. So we kind of have a rejection from this level here. Okay, from the 63K level. We kind of have a rejection from it. From here, if things continue bearish, we could see a move towards 50K and see how price will react to it once again. If things are bullish, however, we need to see a break of 64K, probably a retest, and then maybe a move higher towards 70K if things look bullish. And the last scenario would be a continuation of this consolidation. Okay, this would be the final scenario. This is what I see as the potential moves that could happen in the very near future on Bitcoin. And of course, I'm using the Bitcoin chart as a reference because if Bitcoin will go on a very aggressive run, the other coins will follow. Okay, so yeah, let me know if you guys agree with this analysis, if you think otherwise. And oh, also SWAR, let me quickly check Ethereum as well. So and do a quick update on Ethereum as well, since you asked for it. So Ethereum, we can see that retested a pretty important level. This 2K level right here is a very major support on Ethereum. Now we can go back on the daily, and on the daily we can see that this level right here is also a pretty important one where price is currently at. We can see it was resistance in the past, and then it became support. Okay, it was resistance here, and then it became support. So this level right here is for sure a important one. And then of course, as upcoming levels, we would have this one here. Okay, this right here would be the next level. So in terms of Ethereum, because Eswar asked me in the live chat, from here I either see a move towards 2K again and see how price will react to it. If things look bullish, a break above 2.8, maybe retest and then head towards 3.4K. And if price has no volume, I will see it doing this, basically just consolidating for the next couple days. Okay, that's my prediction for Ethereum. Pretty similar to Bitcoin. Okay, because like I said, they all look very, very similar. If Bitcoin does something big, then the other ones will follow as well. Okay, so yeah, this is my prediction on Ethereum. Of course, as I always mention, take these analysis with a grain of salt. I'm not actively trading crypto at all. I'm just doing this for fun, knowing that some of you guys are interested. And I also do it for myself because I invest long term into crypto, and every now and then, like once a week, whenever we have this session, the second session of the week, I like to do a crypto market update just to get a glance at where things are at the moment, right? So that's literally the only reason I do these crypto market updates. So yeah, once again, let me know if you guys agree with my analysis. And now that we finished the crypto market update as well, let me know if there's any questions or unclarities that you guys would like to ask me before we end this beautiful session. Okay, and now I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna wait for 1-2 minutes to see if you guys have any questions. And of course, if not, it's totally fine. We'll just end the session. And in the meantime, till the next one, you guys would be able to reach out to me privately. And I will be there to give you my best answer. Okay. Tony said, good analysis, gold still running. Yes, sir. It definitely is. It looks promising, not gonna lie. Seeing this beautiful sniper reaction, this gold trade looks really promising. And I'm really excited about it. It might be a runner. But of course, let's not get carried away. We'll just stick to our plan and see how it goes. And good analysis as well. Thank you. Thank you for the good analysis. Eswar, I just did the Ethereum update. Maybe you weren't here. I did it 2 minutes ago. It's this one right here. If you haven't watched it, just basically scroll a bit back 2 or 3 minutes in this video, in this live, and you will be able to see it. Okay, so this is the Ethereum analysis on the daily. Like I said, we're at a key level here. A scenario would be for the price to reject from it and head towards 2K again and see how it will react to it. A bullish scenario would be for a break above, a retest, and a head higher. And the last scenario would be a consolidation in this area. Okay, these are my 3 predictions for Ethereum. This is what I see could happen next. Okay, this is my point of view. So yeah, hope it makes sense. Thank you, bro. You're welcome, brother. You welcome. So yeah, back to our Q&A. Like I said, I'm gonna just wait 1 minute now and see if there's any questions that you guys might have. Okay. And like I said, the questions can be regarding anything you want. They can be trading related. They can be about psychology. They can also be off topic as well. Basically, whatever you want, just feel free to ask me. All right, so I see that there's no other questions. That means that we can end this beautiful session right here. I really enjoyed it. I'm glad that some of you were able to join. I know that a lot of you are busy during this time of the day, but I'm glad that still some of you found the time to join it. I hope y'all found it valuable. And yeah, till the next one, as always, I'm gonna be on Telegram. Tony said, thank you for everything. You're welcome, brother. He also said, I'm glad I made it. Yes, I'm also very, very glad. Like I said, I'm happy that some of you were able to join, and I'm also happy that you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, like I said, in the meantime, I will see y'all on Telegram. I want to wish you all a wonderful rest of your day, rest of your week. And check this out, literally as we're ending the session, it looks like gold will smash TP2 as well. What a beautiful way to end this session. So yeah, once again, wishing you all the best, and see y'all on Telegram. Take care, guys.